home. It's finally here. All done. Still got a couple little details. I gotta take it back a couple weeks. Just gotta redo the hood. Get something with the adhesive from the wrap that I used to have on it. Wasn't letting him paint good, or whatever the excuse was. And he's got like little bubbles. I don't know if you can see it. This said it might go out with the sun in a little bit of time, but he still wants to redo it. Alright, so there it is. Still got a couple of things I gotta do. Gotta put in the window moldings here. I got the brand new ones. I'm not putting those old ones again. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is do the tints. These things are horrible. And I gotta clean the whole interior because they left it all dirty. And then tomorrow I'll try to get some more videos and see if we can upload it. Alright, see you guys later.